All right, guys, it is the final day of World Cup finals. Woke up feeling good today. Last night was pretty disheartening with the Supra, but we're past that. I'm feeling good. About to hop in Goldie. We're racing Michael Manley first round, which is a little bit of a rivalry, we'll call it. So he's got a very fast car. We qualified number 1 with a 781, and I think that the number 16 car, which was him, was like a 797. So there's not much margin for error there. So we're gonna have to give it our best effort. We're in the lanes, and I'm ready to go. So the 2 cars there. The Run BC powered. Goldie, Precision Turbo, BC, Diamond Pistons, GP1 Racing, all on board. Angel and the guys worked all night, make sure it was good to go. We're feeling pretty good, so hopefully we can get this first round win, and then it's 1 race at a time. We got to win 4 times today, 4 races, 1 race at a time. Hopefully easy work, and hopefully we can bring back a cup for the channel. It'll be my first cup, and actually, truthfully, it'll be my first win ever at World Cup finals. So strap in, see what we can do. Well, so much for that, boys. Left well, and it looks like it blew the motor. I got oil coming out of the downpipe, so much for that. Damn it, man. Alright guys, so we're shifting gears. All we can do at this point is support our boys that are still left in. So I'm going to be a cheerleader from this point forward for Dennis and the Cletus McFarland racing team, whoever's still left in there. I've been in my car, so I don't even know what's going on. But that's it. We're going to support our boys, so let's go. Let's see what Dennis can do. Big Leroy, not the little one. All right, guys, so here we are. Dennis back in the pits. Dennis is holding it down for us this weekend because Goldie can't buy a win out here. So talk to me. How are we feeling?
We did good first round. You know, we're here, like Vic always says, we're playing chess today. So we're trying to win it all. We're not trying to run a number and stay alive. They already called us in the lanes. They had to do 5 minutes and they called us. So we gotta stay alive because the K's that usually stay alive are out. So these series gotta stay calm and try to win.
Yeah, it's gonna
be a hard one.
This is gonna be a race of attrition, and like I was telling you guys earlier, this is the toughest field ever in our class. There's not a single car that is in competition that cannot win this race. Every single one has been 780s, 790s, like they're all rocket ships. So the car that stays together the longest and that races the smartest will most likely win. This dude here's had a rabbit's foot all year. You won Nope here, won FL2K, so this will be 3 in a row for you. I'm gonna tell you guys, I'll be sick to my stomach, but I'll also be happy for him. So I'm gonna be helping him out. I'm cheerleading all weekend. Let's see what he could do. Red Hat Mafia Jr. Let's get it. All right, guys, so we're back up in the lanes. We had an oil down and an accident ahead of us, but we're up here. Dennis is getting strapped in. Yeah, hopefully track is not as good as it was earlier, but the conditions have changed drastically, so we gotta work what we can get. The guy we're running now went 790s, really good on the tree, really good competitor, but if we both make a good clean run, Dennis should have him covered. So let's go out there and see what it does. Who you got? That's Big Dennis. Who you got? Big Dennis. All right. You got Eye of the Tiger. Literally. Literally. Eye of the Tiger. My guy's fired up. We got the tiger blanket out here. I'm feeling good about it. The tiger blanket makes me feel really good.
No, he's locked in.
Yeah, it makes me feel good. So apparently we have a bye run. I just literally ran through the lanes because I thought we had an opponent and he's not there. So Dennis is gonna take her down there and go over the scales and we go to the next round. I went through the lanes to make sure though. I don't want them to, yeah. All right, we're good. What's up, guys? So we are back from World Cup Finals here at the shop. What an interesting event. So, as you may already know, it started to rain after first round for some classes, second round for others. Goldie blew up in the first round of eliminations. So we were done at that point. Supra ran like crap the first round of eliminations. We got to figure out, get to the bottom of that. It seems like we're randomly just like losing spark on some cylinders. But that happened. We jumped around and just started helping out all of our guys that were still in. So Mac was in Street Fighter. He was qualified number 1. My buddy Dennis was qualified number 2. And he was still in an extreme front wheel drive. Cleet and the boys were still in a couple cars. I don't even think they got to make a run in Eagle or second run in Eagle. But anyhow, so we shifted gears. We're helping them out. I was lining people up, just offering help wherever I could, do whatever I could, and just kind of riding with our boys. And then it rained. So Dennis ended up being the highest qualified car left in extreme front wheel drive. He got his cup. And Mac was the highest qualified car left in Street Fighter. So he got his cup in the GTR. And that was really it. I mean, it started raining. We pushed the cars back, then it started raining pretty good, and that was the end of the event. So at that point, we loaded up, came home, drove straight home, just got the cars unloaded and in the shop. Back here with the giveaway car. We have some fun stuff planned for the giveaway car this week. And I'm also going to do a full build, like review and build sheet on this car for you guys this week. Additionally, this week, anything you buy on inductionperformance.com from the time that you see this video, Wednesday, November 12th, all orders placed on Wednesday, November 12th, and all orders placed on Thursday, November 13th. We will pick one random order, and we will send that person, that lucky person, a Precision Turbo 6466 Gen 2 to be exact. We have a couple. That's going to be the next one that we're giving away. So go online, inductionperformance.com. You'll see the link below. Any merch you buy will get you entered to the giveaway. You can check out the rules and all that stuff on the website, but any merch, stickers, lanyards, license plate frames, hoodies, you name it, will get you entered into the giveaway for the Supra. And also, we're going to pick one random winner from Wednesday and Thursday's orders and send them a turbo. We sent out our first turbo to our first winner, Trey, in Washington State. So that's already on the way to him. Congrats to Trey. But if you're trying to get in on the giveaway, we got some new stuff coming. We also have updated the website with some more inventory. We were out of like FL2K blue shirts and some of the FL2K sponsor shirts and import shirts and whatnot. We've restocked on all that stuff. We're running low on some stuff, on hats, lanyards, and tumblers. We're getting low on those, and I don't know that we'll restock those, but inductionperformance.com, go on there, get whatever you want. And hopefully you can win this badass Supra. And if for some reason you don't win the Supra, you may also win a Precision turbocharger. In this case, it'll be a Gen 2 6466, which is a badass turbo. The turbo on this car is a next gen 6466, but that 64 series, really badass turbo, good for 800 to 900 horsepower, depending on the application. Quick spool on most applications. And if for some reason you get it and it's not the turbo you want, we could work something out on an exchange towards the turbo that you do want, or you could just take it and sell it, whatever you want to do. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, share. We got a bunch of cool content coming this week. We've got LeMullets on Friday. We've got Pro Mod Race on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I'm actually going to be jumping back and forth between Orlando Speed World and Freedom Factory on Friday. But tons of content coming, and hopefully we'll have some cool winners this week of a turbocharger.